Today, we're diving into the page turning transition, a creative way to make your clips flip like turning the pages of a book. Let's get started. First, make sure you have two clips on your timeline placed back to back. Next, head to the effects library and look for the page curl transition under the video transitions section. Drag and drop it right between your clips. Once applied, select the transition and open the inspector panel. Here, you'll find several settings to tweak. Curl angle, adjust this to control the curve of the page as it flips. Roll amount, use this to change the intensity of the page roll for a more dramatic or subtle effect. Shading and shadow, enable these settings to add realistic lighting and depth to the transition. To fine tune the transition timing, click on it in the timeline and drag the edges to extend or shorten its duration. And that's it. You've successfully created a page turning transition in DaVinci Resolve. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative editing tips.